Welcome to Jack Brewer Road in Robertson County, Texas. This land is 26 acres and it's located between Franklin and Hearn off of Highway 79. The property is fully fenced on the perimeter with 5-strand barbed wire. One of the prominent features of this property is the 3/4 acre pond centrally located on the tract. The berm that forms the pond has the road on it that accesses the rear of the property. Wildlife abound here, primarily with white-tailed deer and some dove. This fence is not the rear of the property. It is a cross fence that sections off the last 5 acres of heavily wooded area. The tract is very rectangular and centrally located between Hearn, Calvert, and Franklin.